Hey yogis, I'm Jennifer Pansa, and this is Deep Relief. In today's day and age, we are often really stressed out. So, this class is a short class designed to harmonize and balance your energy. What we're going to do is focus on opening the shoulders, getting deep stretches in our hips, and really working out the tension we feel in our body that comes from elevated stress. After this class, you should feel really relaxed and ready to take on the day. So, I recommend that you do this in the morning before work or even after work if you want to wind down and relax before bedtime. All you'll need is your mat, so go ahead and grab it and we'll get started. All right, so we're here in our comfortable seated meditation position. And you can go ahead and just bring your hands to your heart, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in from the belly and a deep exhale out of the mouth. Inhale from the belly. And as you exhale, soften in the shoulders. One more time, deep belly breath in. Exhale, let it go. Go ahead and take your left hand to your heart, right hand to your stomach, bow your head. And take a moment to tune in and check in with yourself. Create the intention to love and support yourself throughout this practice today. Allowing yourself to recharge, to nurture and nourish all parts of you. Inhale, reach the arms up over the head. Take a big inhale. Exhale, bring the hands down through center and interlace the hands. Push the arms forward, the shoulders back. Inhale, lift it up, arch in the back. Look towards the ceiling. Exhale, round in the spine, press it back. One more time, just opening up the back. Especially these back bends are so good for us to do, especially if we've been sitting at a desk all day, or if we tend to sit or look on our phone, almost everyone. And then we're just going to twist over to the right side. So sitting up tall, pulling the navel in and looking over the shoulder. And then back to center, swinging the opposite direction, sitting up tall, rinsing out the spine, looking behind you as you exhale. And then coming back to center, sweeping the hands over to the right. The nose moves towards the knee. And see if you can really anchor down in your left hip. Take a deep breath to your side body. This is the part of our body that really focuses on planning and structure of our days, is the liver. So as you breathe, allow that thinking, that activating part of yourself to soften. Maybe sink it a little deeper. Allow that deep breath to fulfill and open this whole part of your side body. And then come back up, take your time. You're going to walk your fingertips to the other side and bring that nose towards the knee. Again, you'll notice that hip wants to come up, so see if you can just anchor that hip down. And as you breathe, think about what you can let go of, as each exhale is an opportunity to find the present moment and to soften a little bit more. One more breath. Good. Slowly coming back up. Take your time. We're going to go right into a side bend, reaching up and over, lengthening the top arm over the head, bending into the elbow. Maybe the elbow even comes all the way to the floor if that feels good for your body. Soften the shoulder back. Maybe even let that neck go so that you can get a deep stretch, deep relief in your neck. And as you exhale, soften into the stretch, going even deeper to the side body. Back to center, to the other side, reaching up as you inhale. Exhale, maybe that elbow bends, reaching over. And noticing that hip wants to come up. See if you can soften it down, let the head relax. Pull the shoulder back into the socket and keep extending.